I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 10th question from the Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 10 reads, in the xy plane, the graph for the linear function f contains the points 0, 2, and 8, 34. Which equation defines f where y equals f of x? You could do this very quickly by hand, but make sure you stick around to see how to use Desmos for it. It's like legal cheating. You're going to love it. So, you might know that the y-intercept is where x equals 0. If you know that, then you could just look at it and know that the y-intercept is 2. So 42 and 36 are gone, because when you're in the form y equals mx plus b, the b is your y-intercept. So the 2 should be in place of b, as you see in answer choice C and D. And then all you got to do from there is, and you could do this in your head really quickly, if you just know y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 34 minus 2 is 32, 8 minus 0 is 8, so it's 32 over 8, which reduces to 4. Now to take it slow and really explain that, whenever you have two coordinates, to get the slope you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I label these x1, y1, these up here, and I labeled these x2, y2, then it becomes 34 minus 2 over 8 minus 0, which will give you 32 over 8, which equals 4. 4 is your slope. Where does your slope go? Your slope goes here. So you know that C is your answer. Alternatively, you could use Desmos. Now, you should definitely know how to do this, because here it gave you the y-intercept. If it didn't, Desmos would be easier to use. And so when you go to Desmos, you got to hit the plus on the upper left. This is called doing a regression. You can do it whether it's linear or exponential. Then you choose a table, and then in the table, you have to plug in the values. So we had 0, 2, and then we had 8, 34. Those are your values. And now, in the form y equals mx plus b, Desmos is not going to understand y or x or equals. So in y equals mx plus b, you got to replace y with y1. You got to replace the equals with a tilde. If you hit shift and the upper left of your keyboard below the escape and above the tab button, you'll see the tilde. You could also access it by going to Desmos keyboard, ABC, bottom right. There's a tilde. So, and then m you could just leave as m, but you have to put x1 instead of x. If you write the 1 right after the x and the y, it'll automatically appear, then plus b. And then it gives it for you. It gives it to you. Y equals mx b, your m is 4, so it's y equals 4x, and your b is 2, so y equals 4x plus 2, which, once again, is answer choice C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who does not know how to do a regression, or doesn't automatically see, hey, the x is 0, the y-intercept is 2, or doesn't know your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will give you your slope. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. And check out our 1-minute videos. If you're on YouTube, go to Ivy Masters Learning Center and find the test number and section number. So this is Test 3 Module 1. The shorter video is just below these longer videos. Have a great day.